Hello everyone, good afternoon. Welcome to another video. Welcome to our company. Lots of Butler's gas burner arrived in our factory. We just show here. There have around 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15. 15 Butler gas burner arrived. You can see very good condition, and this burner will going to Malaysia next week, and this is our company logo. If you need any information related with gas burner, industrial gas burner, then just contact with us. We will provide you all the quotation with a very excellent price. Thank you.